Hi everyone, this is day 18, cruise day 13. This is our last sea day on our cruise, and I just wanted to give you some information that I may not have given to you before. Our room had no bunks. We had a king-size bed, we had a couch, which turns into a bed, so we could have 3 people sleeping with us. Most of the rooms that have no windows have the bunk beds, so 4 people can sleep in that room. And yeah, it's kind of crowded. So I thought I would give you an opportunity to see what they look like, how the staff makes them up and brings them down for the night. And yes, they do have ladders so that people can climb up to them. Basically, they don't want anybody but maybe kids and teenagers up there. You know, they don't want somebody overweight. I'm not sure what the weight limit is, but I think it's 150 to 200 pounds. So I have a video to show you how they work about getting the bed made and unmade, and yeah, it's a job for them. And this is the bunk.
Yeah.
In its down position. And every morning they make it up and put it back up again, and then take it down at night when it's time to go to bed, and they start the process all over again. Also, we have video, or maybe it might just be pictures, of the hole-in-the-wall lighthouse on South Abaca Island in the Bahamas. The lighthouse was very far away from us, so Bruce had to take pictures with his zoom lens, so it's not very clear, but at least you can see it. We also have a picture of our tow animal for the night. And additional ship information. And, well, it's the last day of the cruise, but it's not our last day. See you later.